Welcome to the iPhone System Settings course. You'll learn how to change some of the settings on your iPhone so you can make it work just the way you like. You'll learn how to change the sounds your phone makes and how to set the date and time. If your iPhone has a physical home button, some of the steps might be slightly different, but you can still follow along. Your iPhone has many different settings, and most of them are controlled from the Settings app, which is on the home screen. Tap on it to open it. We're going to learn about your phone's sound settings. So look for Sounds and Haptics. Tap on it. Now, the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone control the loudness of voice calls, music, podcasts, and video soundtracks. The Sounds and Haptics menu lets you choose a ringtone and adjust the volume of your ringtone and alerts. A ringtone, or ringer, is the sound your phone makes when you receive a call. An alert is a sound your phone makes when it receives an email, text, or voice message, or a reminder you may have set in your calendar. To adjust the volume of your ringtone and alerts, look for a bar in the middle of your screen under Ringer and Alerts. Use your finger to move the slider left to turn the volume down, and right to turn it up. Below the slider, Change with Buttons allows you to adjust the loudness of your ringtones and alerts using the volume buttons on the side of your phone. It's best to leave this off, however, so you don't accidentally turn down the ringer and alerts when adjusting the volume of music or videos. When this setting is off, the switch will be white. To choose a sound for when someone calls you, find Ringtone and tap on it. Then tap an option from the list of tones to play it. When you find one you like, tap Back at the top left of the screen to set it. This also takes you back to the Sounds and Haptics menu. Next, tap Text Tone to change the sound that plays when you receive a text message. Listen to a few options and tap Back at the top left to set the one you like. There are many other types of alerts in the Sounds and Haptics menu, and you can choose a different sound for each one. This can be handy, as it helps you know what type of message you've received without the need to look at your phone. Select a sound that appeals to you for any type of alert. Finally, look for keyboard clicks at the bottom of the screen. If the switch is green, the phone will make a clicking sound each time you type a letter or number on the keyboard. This can be annoying for you and others, so tap it to turn it off. When you've finished, tap the Settings arrow at the top left of the screen to return to the main Settings menu. Now we're going to set the date and time on your iPhone. Find General in the list and tap it. From the options that appear, tap on Date and Time. You'll see an option called Set Automatically. If the switch next to it is green, your phone automatically adjusts for daylight savings and changes time zones when you travel. You should leave this turned on, but for this demonstration, we'll turn it off to show you how to manually adjust the time and date. To turn it off, tap the green switch so it moves to the left and becomes white. Now, tap on the blue text under Time Zone. A calendar appears, and you can use these options to change the current date and time. To change the time zone on your phone, tap the name of the city above the blue date and time text. Next, use the keyboard to type a location. When the name appears under the search bar, tap it to set the time and date for that location. When you've finished, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. You've now completed the course and learned how to adjust some sound settings, as well as the date and time on your iPhone. If you're unsure about any steps, you can rewind the video or click the chapter headings to jump to the start of a chapter. If you're ready to move on, there are many other courses to explore on Be Connected.